Let's take a look at how to download Google Drive and then how to shoot a video using your smartphone and upload your video to Google Drive and get a shareable link from your video inside of Google Drive. The first thing you'll need to do is to go to either Google Play if you have an Android device, or go to the App Store if you have an iPhone. So the first thing you'll grab is Google Drive. These are all free apps that you can download. So Google Drive is the first one, then Google Slides, and Google Docs. Once you have these downloaded onto your phone, the next step is to connect Google Drive to your Gmail account. As soon as you have that connected, you can open Google Drive, and in the bottom right-hand side of the screen, you can see a plus sign. Click on the plus sign, and that will give you the option to create a new folder, to upload videos or photos, to create a new Google Doc, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. First thing I want you to do is to create a new folder. And with the folder, it's very important that you name it correctly. So name it with your family name, then your given name, and then your class name. Don't forget that. Family name, given name, and your class name. And then you'll click on Create. Okay, so I used my smartphone to shoot a video for my first speaking task, my speaking task presentation. And with my speaking task, I then open my Photos folder. Whether you are using an iPhone or an Android device, you'll open up your Photos library and find your video. And you want to share your video to Google Drive. Now you can find Google Drive. If you don't see it, you can also click on More, and you can open Google Drive, and we've already connected it to our Gmail accounts. So you have the option now to save the video to Google Drive. I created this student account here. Remember, it's your family name, your given name, and your class. So open that folder, and you want to save the video inside of the folder and upload it to that folder. Next, open up the Google Drive app, and we can find the folder that we created with our family name, our given name, and the class, and we want to open that folder. You can see inside of the folder, I have my video that I just shot. And if you look at the three dots on the right-hand side, the three dots will give you the options to either share, make available offline, and right now it says link sharing is off. So it's very important that you turn link sharing on. Once you turn link sharing on, you can now copy the link to your video that is inside of Google Drive. So now you have a copied link. At this point now, you can paste that link into your learning management system, your LMS, whatever LMS you are using. Now you can paste that link into that LMS. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below.